Who doesn't know what this is? I'm pretty sure each one of you has used one of these. Now, what if I tell you that there's something like this? Yes, this is the VSGO Pocketable Palm Turbo Air Duster. It's a mouthful, but basically is an air blower, a super powerful air blower that is going to help you clean your gear, not only the sensor, but everything about your gear. Now, before we get into the details of this product, let's see what we get in the package when we purchase it. You get a pretty premium package. You already see it from the exterior box. Once you open the box, you get a first set of instructions and an air filter. We're going to get back to that in a second. And then once you lift that up, you see the device split in 4 parts. There's a battery part, then there's the turbine, then there's the directional airflow accessory and the brush accessory. So when you put it all together, you get a pocketable palm device that allows you to clean pretty much anything you can think of. You can clean lenses, filters, you can clean your sensor, you can clean anything that you can think of. And in the link below, if you watch the description, you will get to the product link and they will explain that you can clean pretty much anything you want. I've cleaned all of my photography gear with this and I'm super happy. Let's go back to the air filter, because the air filter is of a huge importance. What it does is that it prevents you from shooting particles towards your sensor mainly at a super high speed. So, and if you read the instructions in the that they give you, they tell you that in order for you to clean your sensor, you should use the air filter because it's gonna prevent any potential damage to the sensor. Now, the build of this is really good. It's brushed aluminum, it feels solid in the end. It's very well built, like anything that VSGO does. The device is pretty powerful. It is flexible. It's basically a Swiss Army knife for cleaning your products. From a construction standpoint, from a device standpoint, you have 2 buttons on the bottom over here. I hope I can focus on that. So this one allows to turn the device on, and you see that it's turned on by these 3 lights over here. And you have this, the other button that you have on the bottom allows you to turn a light on, while the on and off button also allows you to determine the power. Let's go back to the light in a second, just because this light makes a lot of sense, because once you clean something, a light from the side allows you to see if there's particles that are left where you cleaned. So it allows you to determine whether the cleaning was exactly how you wanted or not. As I said, this is a Swiss Army knife for cleaning, and it's done really well. What you have then on the front is this. I hope you can see that. This is the trigger that allows you to turn on and off the turbine, and also while you're doing this, if you click the bottom button while you're blowing, it allows you to just keep blowing without pressing the trigger. I am super happy with this product. VSGO, as I mentioned already, does pretty clever products. There's a link here to the review of their backpack. It's made by a team of people that definitely know what photography needs when they build a product. And so anytime VSGO contacts me to review something or present something, I'm really happy, because VSGO is really, really, really good when it comes to thinking products. There's a thinking behind it. It's not just a product for the sake of making a product. Now, of course, this thing has a cost, and it's not as cheap as one of those manual blowers. But at the same time, those manual blowers are not as clever as this. This allows you to clean everything much faster and way better. And to me, this thing is going to be part of my kit from now on all the time. It's too too convenient for someone like me to go to have this, give it a clean, to whatever I need, whenever I need. Because each one of us has experienced, you're shooting a beautiful picture. You have that f11, f16, and then you have a smudge on the sensor, or you have a particle on the filter that you don't have a way to clean. This thing helps, because especially the particles on the filters, those are the ones that ruin the picture the most, because usually a smudge on the sensor in post can be fixed, while a particle on the filter usually ruins your shot beyond repair. With this, you don't have to think about it. You get everything that you need in your palm, and it's super, super, super powerful. This thing blows air at its maximum speed, something like 120 kilometers an hour, which is, it's kind of a hurricane in your hand, and it's really, really, really good. I'll definitely recommend it. And I know it's not cheap, I mentioned that, but convenience has a cost. And in my opinion, this cost is justified by what this thing can do. Links in the description below with all the details of this product and a way to purchase it. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.